upbeat music plays. Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your own fabric masks. Whether for personal use or a fun DIY project, making masks can be simple and rewarding. Let's get started. First, let's discuss why making your own masks is a great idea. Not only can you customize them to your style, but they're also a sustainable option. Plus, it's a fun craft project you can do at home. Here's what you'll need: cotton fabric, 2 pieces, elastic bands or fabric ties, scissors, sewing machine or needle and thread, fabric ruler or measuring tape, iron, optional for pressing, pins or clips. Now, let's measure and cut the fabric. You'll need 2 pieces of fabric, each measuring about 9 inches by 6 inches for an adult-sized mask. For children, you can adjust the size to about 7 by 5 inches. Cut carefully and make sure the fabric is smooth. Next, it's time to sew. Place the 2 pieces of fabric together, right sides facing each other. Pin the edges to hold them in place. Sew around the edges, leaving a gap of about 2 inches on one side. Turn the mask inside out through the gap and use your fingers to push out the corners. Now let's add the elastic or fabric ties. If using elastic, cut 2 pieces about 7 inches long. Insert them into the sides of the mask and sew securely. If using fabric ties, cut 2 long strips about 1 inch wide and 18 inches long and attach them to the sides, sewing them in place. This way you can tie the mask comfortably around your ears or head. Finally, make sure to press the mask with an iron for a neat finish, and then you're all set. You can also add decorative elements like fabric paint or embroidery to personalize your mask even more. And there you have it, your very own fabric masks ready to wear. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects. Share your mask making tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.